Hello ladies and gentlemen, today with BK. Picked up this, it's what's called a Blazer trailer. This is 82 by 20 with a dovetail with the rear ramps. It would be out of here. They are 5 feet long. So for low profile cars such as the Camaro and the Vet that I own, you can see I'll have to do a few touch-ups here, right in here. It just actually, you know what, I thought that looked like rust for a second, but that's just the way the lighting is with the sun. As you can see now, it doesn't look like that, but there are a few spots. I think, you know, when the trailers are laid on top of each other, they have those little spots, but I liked it because it's a 2024 Blazer, and I got it through Ellenberg Custom Trailers. So I had to drive a little ways, but Chad is the owner. He's very helpful, punctual, and I like these D-ring pockets here. I've got some of those D-ring on order coming. I'm also going to put a fence up, I think, probably about 2x6 high, and so maybe be able to, you know, use mulch and all that too as well. But really, you know, with the spare tire that has the matching black gloss, I thought it really has a good look to it. Once again, 82 by 20, 5-inch C-channel. You know, a lot of them are 4, and just, it's a really nice 2-inch coupler here. You know, if this is you can just pull it forward and it comes up real easy to go on. This connector is very well made. I love the way the cord is connected, and you know what got me too was it already has this battery box, already has the winch plate. So I'm gonna get me a winch on here with the battery box, be set if I have a vehicle that's disabled. But the nice part about the dovetail is it's a very low profile. I have it jacked up right now. You can see this wheel's actually off the ground. I can spin it. So, but it has a removable fender over here. As you can see, a wing nut here and a wing nut here. It just tows really well. I towed it back for about 2 hours. I like the LED lights that glow amber, and these clear LED lights, but they're you know obviously going to be red when you apply the brake. But this is how, see if I can do this with one hand. I can't. But you would pull this little plate down, pull your little ramps down for about 5 feet. So you imagine 3, 4, 5 come right here, and you can slide them anywhere you need in order to get on with your vehicles. But having that low profile, you can see how low that profile is to come down, because most trailers are straight starting about right there, and I've done it before. It's a pain, especially if you have a low profile, even like on a Corvette. The valance underneath the bottom, oh my goodness, it'll bend it, and it's a pain. So just blessed. These are not cheap trailers, but it's cheaper than borrowing one a lot, and I normally pay whoever I borrow the trailer, I'll pay them $150, $200. After a while, you just get your own trailer. So but as I go along and I install the winch, install the batteries, or excuse me, the battery, and use it, I'm going to mount a car on it, tie it down, ride around, and let y'all see that. So give me any comments, or please like, subscribe, and share this. I don't see too many videos on these Blazer, as you can see there. I think they're from Alabama. There was a major rain recently. You can see there's a little bit of it's like rust sections. So what I'm just gonna clean that up, and respray some areas. But you can see there's the tie down rings here that are completely welded around, and then there's tie down rings in the back, completely welded around. So that's nice, but when I have these D-ring come in, I'll show those, install those, and show you. But overall, very nice stance. But once again, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. I'll get to them the best I can, and if I can get a better setup, I'll show the ramps out. So here's with the ramps out, and once again, a little bit of rust in this section. I'm gonna probably turn the ramps around upside down, but I like these because with most vehicles that I own, at least the tires are a little bit wider in this little area here, so it'll just roll right up there instead of having to go across those other sections, the actual center sections here. So but once again, y'all, let me know if you want to hear anything else about this thing. Y'all take care.